Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Even though the channel name is Stock Analyst, but now we are trading cryptocurrencies, and yes, I'm making back-to-back videos on Shiba Inu because this is the hot trend now. If you go to Twitter, any kind of social media, YouTube, everywhere, even on all the news channel, they are talking about Shiba Inu. So previously I made a video on Shiba Inu when the price was up. Now I'm going to make another video because I think this is important for you to know what is happening with Shiba Inu. Mostly I will talk about the price, the technical chart, how this thing is going on, what needs to be happen in order to hold the price level at the same time what happened with Dogecoin, Ethereum, at the same time the price forecast for Shiba Inu in short term. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. At the same time, give a try, join my Patreon to get access to my Discord where we talk about crypto and stock mainly. Trade ideas, day trading, swing trading, pre-market and market hour. It costs only $9 per month. Being a Patreon, you will get access to my Discord. So anyway, let's talk about Shiba Inu. So first of all, just want to show you the Google trend, how people are doing. So I'm showing you the SHIB, Shiba Inu, Shiba coin, this kind of search. You can see that recently the search is higher. In the beginning of October, you see a nice surge in price. Then again, it got down, and now recently there are more and more people are talking. So just want to show how things are happening. So anyway, so Shiba Inu, this is something I first talked about Shiba Inu when it was around 30, 20, then it came down, it made a long consolidation. This is a daily chart, each candle is 1 day. So it took a long time to consolidate, then finally it started going higher. So from here, from 8, it went all the way to 30, took a breath, moved sideways, then again it moved up, made a new high, and again coming down. Some people are making videos, is it crashing? So here I just want to talk about the price action. I'm not going to pump anything, I just want to share my thoughts. So first of all, if you look at the chart, how things move. So maybe we can start beginning of October here. So I'm gonna draw some lines here. Let me get rid of all the lines here. And one other thing before I start, I want to show you the moving average. Yeah, so the blue line is the daily moving average. So 9-day moving average, you can see mostly it was up the 9, moved over 9, and now it came back to the 9-day moving average. So this is an important level people are watching, because you see when it came to 55, 57, it bounced multiple times. So many people are waiting to buy at this level. Also, some people will be scared if it breaks 55, it might come down. So anyway, we will talk more about this. So look at the pattern, how it moves. So I'm going to draw some lines here. First of all, just want to show you. So the beginning of October, we know the thing happened, right? From 8, it went all the way to 35. So it made a nice run from here to here, right? After that, it came down. Then it tried to move up. Then what happened? It did some kind of consolidation, right? So this consolidation happened for some time. So if you look here, from 8 October, let's say to 23rd October, almost 14 days, 2 weeks of consolidation. Now let's look at this area again. So a nice run up. Look at the chart, came down, compare with this thing, and went up. Now it can move sideways, and this needs to be happen, right? So I'll just move the chart so that you can see better. So what is more important to me? I'm not concerned about the fluctuations. I want this to move sideways like this. The same thing happened, sorry. Because if it does not hold like the previous one, it can come down. It has to retain. If people are just trading these, they ride all the way up, then they sell, then this thing will come back to 30, 40 again. But if this thing happens, like we know for Dogecoin, there are lots of holders they are holding. So it needs people to hold. As long they hold for some time and it moves sideways, yes, it can move within the days, but this is fine. As long it moves and it can hold the gain, it is okay. It went to 89, then it came back to 50, 60, it is okay. But as long it does not come back to 35 and it moves sideways, this is the most important thing. Good thing is, you see here some big wicks, means that whenever it came down around 55, 57, people bought it. Now the most important thing, it has to retain the level. This is one very important thing I want to point out here. If it goes down, then all the gains, they will be lost. It doesn't mean this is end of Shiba Inu, but this is the end of the momentum, or maybe it will take more time to go up. So this is one more thing I want to show here. Also, some people talk about bull flag. So I'm also a technical trader, so I like this kind of trading. So some people are also drawing this kind of chart here. So saying this, let's see, this is a pole here, bull flag, bull pennant, anyway. So this is a pole here, and this is a flag forming. So most of the time, if you see it bounce from here, goes up here and breaks through this blue line here, there is a bullish trend. At the same time, sometime it can break through and come down. So you have to watch carefully. Yes, we are planning to buy more around here, but always keep some cash in case it breaks and come back to 44, 45 area. This is also possible. Nothing is impossible. Something moved from 8 to 88 10 times, so it is okay if it comes down, but it will be a massive gain whoever bought at 8. Also, Bollinger Band, you see how it works. Many people use that. So you see when it's very volatile, you see more gap between the two black line here. With time, when the consolidation occurs, it becomes smaller and smaller. You see before the breakout, what happened? It became very narrow, and then boom. Again, it moves sideways. It narrowed a little bit, again boom. And currently, if we look, this is very wide, because this is so volatile and still no consolidation started, or maybe just started. So with time, these two black lines, they will narrow down, and you might see it's forming the same thing like before, moving sideways. That gap between these two black lines is becoming smaller and smaller, then again boom. It is not necessary to run 100% each and every day. Keep that in mind. It is okay to come down, pull back, but the most important thing is hold the level. This is the most important thing. Hold the level, hold the gain, then again you run. So people are also talking about listing Shiba Inu on Robinhood. That can be a big catalyst, don't forget. And also big medias, now they are covering Shiba Inu as well. I will also talk about the support resistance if you're planning to get in, but yeah, this is one important level we are talking about, 57, 58. I will come back to the chart again. Let's look at few other things. So if I go to CoinMarketCap, now Shiba Inu is sitting at number 9, Dogecoin is number 10. And if you remember, at one point when Dogecoin was very high, the market cap was around 80 billion. From 80, it came back to 33. Let's say Shiba Inu wants 80 billion. In that case, the price has to go like another 2 times or 2.5 times. So if the current price is around, I'm not going to talk about all the zeros, let's say 66.5, it has to be 13. So then price will be like 0.00013. So basically you are doubling your price if it wants to go to 80 billion like the other ones. If I go to coin price forecast, they also talk about so many things, but look at what they are talking. So the end of the year for 2021, they are saying that the Shiba Inu price will be 11.6. Let's say I'm not going to talk about all the zeros. End of 2022, it will go to 18. Keep that in mind. This thing changes a lot. When Shiba Inu was around 8 only, their forecast was different. So when the price goes up, they change their forecasting. So I don't really look at this forecast. Many people talk about this forecast in their videos, but trust me, when this thing will come down, they will change their forecast. When Shiba Inu was 8, they changed their forecast. So keep that in mind. Now look at Dogecoin. I want to show you Dogecoin, right? So when it was rising, many people are saying, oh, Doge will become $1, something. I'm not going to go there, but I just want to show what happens. When you buy something at a very top, let's say you bought around 70, or maybe when it dipped around 53, thought, oh, I bought the dip. Then see from here, you are already down by 52%. So cryptocurrency is very volatile. Keep that in mind. But the good thing of Doge is all the pump dump, whatever you say, now they are consolidating. This is the good thing. They are holding the price around this area. So this can happen. If you go to Ethereum, so look at the bull run they had. I think some bull run happened around this area, right? Let's say from 15, it went all the way to 42. Many people bought at 42. Then what happened? From 42, it came back again. 55%, right? Again, another bull run is happening. If there is a pullback, it might come down. So crypto is very volatile. I'm not saying Shiba Inu will come back, but it is also possible it might come back because I do not want to pump, as I said. Now let's look at some levels here, important levels. Maybe I'll just go to a daily chart here and I'll get rid of the blue line here. So very, very important. So yes, we are forming some kind of a triangle here. This is, yes. So let's put some, you can put the line around 61, or if you want you can put the line around 55. It doesn't matter. So as long it goes up or down, this is important because we are almost end of the triangle. So if there is enough power, it will break through the blue line, it will go higher, or it might break down. So just looking at the chart, I want to draw some lines here. You see some kind of 75. So 75 was acting like a resistance. Then we have some area here around 67, right? 75, some resistance around 67. Now the support we are talking about 61. Also some people I know they're waiting to pounce at 55. Whenever it came to 55, they bought it. 55 bought it. So this is one other important level. Also, if you want me to go down, definitely there are more levels. I'm not gonna go through all the way to 8, but definitely some areas to look at: 43, 49, 57. And why? Cryptocurrency is very volatile. Always keep some money in case it dip. Dip doesn't mean Shiba Inu is gone. No. If it dips, you buy, you add more because there will be another run up hopefully, and then you will make more money. So always divide your money. If you have $100, divide in 4 chunks, let's say. So when it comes to 57, you buy $25. If it comes back to 50, 49, you buy another $25. If it comes back to 43, you add more. This is how you are adding more and you are catching the dip, right? And always keep some cash in case, right? But looking like the last 1 hour looks really nice because 60 is a very important level. You see from 60, the main candle, it bounced so many times. Again, it came to 60 and people bought it, and this looks a solid green candle. So again, I'm very, very bullish, and this is Sunday. Many people are saying Monday it will be listed on Robinhood. I do not want to give any false hope, but yes, this thing is looking really nice. So anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, give a try to join my Patreon because we talk about crypto, Shiba Inu a lot, and also other cryptocurrencies. Now we have a channel dedicated for crypto, and people are talking, and I'm also sharing my chart, when to get in, when to get out, also some other things. So if you like, just $9 per month, not a, and from tomorrow there will be a new month starting. So yeah, give a try. Let's see if we can make money together. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.